Problems related to the digestive system can cause a lot of distress and discomfort. Some digestive issues include indigestion, bloating, gas, constipation, and acid reflux. It is believed that almost 70 million Americans suffer from some kind of digestive problem. Constipation can be caused by a poor diet, lack of exercise, dehydration, excessive alcohol intake, stress, and even nutritional deficiencies. Here are the top 5 foods that help treat and relieve constipation. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger is great for improving digestion and preventing digestive problems. We should all take a note from the Japanese and start chewing a piece of ginger after meals to improve digestion. Alternatively, you can drink 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea daily. To make the tea, add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger to a cup of boiling water and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Number 2. Peppermint. The herb peppermint also aids digestion and prevents digestive disorders. Its anti-inflammatory properties help treat gas, bloating, and constipation. You can start drinking a cup of peppermint tea after each meal to help relieve constipation, and even add fresh peppermint leaves to your salads. Peppermint's great smell and taste make it a great choice for people suffering from digestive disorders. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a great helper when it comes to treating all kinds of digestive disorders, including constipation. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, stimulates the bladder to release bile. This aids digestion, thus relieving constipation. Curcumin is known to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. To relieve constipation, drink 1 teaspoon of turmeric juice with a glass of water a day. Alternatively, you can take a good curcumin supplement daily after consulting with your doctor. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has powerful laxative properties, making it a great helper if you suffer from constipation. To prepare a juice, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera and a cup of orange juice to a blender and blend it well. Drink the juice on an empty stomach every morning for best results. Number 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal has a high fiber content, promoting intestinal health. Fiber helps prevent constipation by maintaining bowel regularity. If you suffer from constipation, you should consider starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal. You can add fruits and nuts to enhance its taste and nutritional value. Furthermore, you could also try cooking with oat flour instead of wheat to improve your digestion and banish constipation for good. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more natural remedies videos, click subscribe.